Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission for many purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 41. If we start with this middle box, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got a 3 and 8 here, so 2. 8 here, so 3, 8. For this box, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got 2 and 6 here, so this is our 9. 6 here, so 2, 6. For this row now, we're missing a 1. And this row, we're missing a 2. So in this box now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here. So 9, 4. For this column, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 7. 7 here, so 2, 9. 9 and 7 here. So this is our 2, 9, 7. For this bottom row now, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got a 1 covering these two boxes, so our 1 has to be here. We've got a 5 there, so 8, 5. For this box now, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got a 7 here and a 9 here, so this is our 8. That 9 makes this our 7, 9. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 2, 6, 2, 6. For this column, we're missing 3 and 5. So 3, 5, 3, 5. For this column, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this box now, we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got a 4 here and a 6 here, so this is our 9. That 4 makes this our 6, 4. For this column, looks like we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. That 5 makes this our 3, 5. For this box now, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 and 9 here, so this is our 2. 9 here, so 8, 9. For this top row now, we're just missing a 4. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 3, 2 and 3 here. So that makes this our 6. That 6 makes this our 2, 3, and that 2 makes this our 6. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 8. I don't see any help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. For this column, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. That 2 makes us our 8, 2. For this box now, we're only missing a 7. And for this box, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.